Hello, I'm Janine, Retail Advisor with Keystone RV Company Customer Service, supporting Dutchman and Crossroads. Customers will sometimes reach out to us asking, "I've noticed my window sweating. Should I be concerned?" Yes, this is the first sign of condensation. Picture an ice-cold glass of water sitting on the picnic table on a warm, humid day. What happens? The glass sweats profusely. Your RV reacts the same way. When there is excessive moisture inside the unit, it will attach itself to any surface that is cooler than the temperature of the components inside the RV. The first hint of excessive moisture in the air can usually be seen on the windows. Outside air is cooling the window on the outside. Inside air is warming the window on the inside. The moisture is attracted to that surface and the windows begin to sweat. Therefore, you may ask, how do I combat condensation and what will it hurt if I don't? Condensation needs to be taken seriously. Ignoring it can damage the RV, which is not warrantable, and most importantly, could lead to mold issues, which could be a health hazard. The key to controlling condensation is ventilation. A family in the course of normal use, breathing, bathing, cooking, washing dishes, wet towels, and clothes can put gallons of moisture into the air. If that moisture is unable to escape the RV, you will experience condensation. Here are some tips to proper ventilation. Crack a window or the roof vents. Utilize the roof fans when showering. Use the range hood fan when cooking or washing dishes, and avoid hanging wet towels and clothes inside to dry. If these basic tips are unsuccessful in controlling the condensation, it may even be necessary to consider purchasing a dehumidifier. See Keystone RV Owner's Manual, Chapter 3, Tips to Avoiding Condensation for further information regarding controlling indoor air quality. Remember, we are always here to help.